Seen from outer space, at night, Earth is like a luminous galaxy. We deal with a small portion of this light. Foscarini is an Italian firm which creates lighting apparatus featuring a distinct scenic element. These shapes have been crafted to light up large spaces, homes, rooms, and specifically life, both everyday and extraordinary. We design and imagine feelings you cannot touch, but you can see, feel, and perceive. We transform spaces into experiences, places into opportunities for life, rooms into an atmosphere which tells of stories, melodies, and sometimes emotions. How do we do this? No standard processes or one-size-fits-all techniques. Every new project is an adventure. We start from scratch every time in order to identify the best solution. When we achieve this, results are marked and intense, like a journey we can look back on only when our destination has been reached. This is Twiggy, for example, by Mark Sadler. Not only do we work with well-known designers, but also with emerging enthusiasts. We choose our travel companions carefully, and we work side by side for months or years. In order to carry out a project, bringing together inspiration, design, research, passion, and character. In order to craft such unique lamps, we use every kind of material, from glass to metal, as well as advanced solutions such as Kevlar and carbon. How does it work? An idea, many sketches on paper, and numerous hand gestures to communicate shapes and feelings. Our designers turn up with a sheet of paper in their hand, a drawing, or just an inspiration. We work in order to transform this into simple yet marvelous objects, a landscape of light. Our catalogue features a selection of lamps by eminent designers you may see today in a range of distinguished locations, like the cafes of Berlin and Milan, or a lamp belonging to the permanent collection of MoMA in New York. Its name is Havana. It resembles a spindle of light, a cloud floating in midair. It was designed by Joseph Forakis of New York. He had envisaged it in glass. We instead went for polyethylene. Same shape but lighter, recyclable, sophisticated, hypermodern, timeless. Here is See You by Mark Sadler, conceived as made of glass. In order to produce it on an industrial scale, we identified a crystal-like plastic as transparent and brilliant as glass. A technical device displaying a strong decorative element. It looks like a flying saucer landing. Patricia Occhiola and Eliana Girotto approached us with a bracelet in their hand. "This is our lamp," they said. We got to work and created what you see. A methacrylate jewel which transforms walls by scattering light like a luminous crystal.
Alla gente arriva questo oggetto, un po' marino anche, no?
Mark Sadler approached us with the idea of a fisherman with a fishing rod in his hand. It was only the beginning, but we were able to develop Twiggy along with Mark. The head of the lamp bends the stand with its own weight, thus creating a slender, perfect, yet not precarious curve, and a soft light which bounces off the ceiling. Here is Supernova, designed by Ferruccio Laviani, a laser-chiseled sculpture lamp cut into parallel steel discs, forming a hypnotic totem. In the same year, Mite by Mark Sadler, born from the concept of a car's headlights. Planning has undergone a number of stages. After 2 years of research on materials in the production process, borrowed from tennis rackets and golf clubs, this is what it has become. A soft, transparent and unbreakable diffuser. Along with Mark, we were awarded the ADI Compasso d'Oro in 2001. A crucial technological innovation in the lighting sector, they said. It is now part of the permanent collection at the Pompidou Center in Paris. And today, well, along with Mark Sadler, we've invented Fiber Evolution, a product aimed at mega installations, transforming our lamps into light sculptures which invade space in order to create scenic elements in enormous spaces too. We like to reach out to opposites, from corners to the Big Bang to the softness of Uto. The first intersection of planes is made of methacrylate. It features dynamic light and dark elements. Fields, another lamp by Jimenez, is a geometric lamp made of colored bundles and reflected light. Softness arrived with the Auto and La Granja design of Barcelona, originally conceived of as portable, imagining a puppy on a lead. Time after time, a load of new projects, some in extra large format. How? With a lamp made of metal lines. So what, you may say? Well, look at the result then. Allegro by Atelier Oi is an equilibrium of suspended lines in continuous adjustment. A mobile and uncertain balance of enormous dimensions, like a three-dimensional representation of a symphony. We don't just build lamps here at Foscarini. We make wonderful scenic elements through which a new life can be invented every day.